Today I'm going to be showing you how to actually set up a stand in Please Donate. So first, go to Please Donate and open Roblox. Then you want to go to your stand. So claim a stand. Then it says seems like you're new. So click yes. Then it says to start earning Roblox, you'll need to create a game pass. So copy this. Command A and then Command C to copy. Go back and paste your little thingy right there. Then you'll want to name it. So you're going to name this whatever you want to do. I'm just going to name this 5 Robux. Then you want to create the pass. Then you want to click these 3 circles and click open in new tab. Then you want to click configure. Then you want to click sales. Then you want to click item for sale. And then you want to do 7 Robux. So this is how much you're going to make. So if you do 8 Robux, this is 5 Robux. So you can just do this and then you want to save your changes. Then it has been updated. So then you want to do multiple of these. So you can do 10, 15, then you could do like 25 or 100 or 1,000 or 10,000. And then once you do that, that is it. So let's just reload our thingy. So leave and rejoin. Then if we claim this stand, we now have something for 8 Robux, but it basically only gives us 5 Robux. So yeah.